Okay, let's start with our right hand. We want to start by finding an E. So to find an E, look for two black notes right next to each other, and then go to the white note directly to the right of that. The E that we want is the second one down from the top of the keyboard. So it's a pretty high E, but not the highest. There's one higher. That's the one we want to start on. We're going to start on that E with our pinky, okay? Finger 5. And then we're just going to play chromatically using each of our fingers, starting with 5 and walking down to 2. So finger 5 on the E, finger 4 on the E flat, finger 3 on the D, finger 2 on the D flat. Okay, so again we have E, E flat, D, D flat with fingers 5, 4, 3, 2. And now after we start with 5, 4, 3, 2, we're now going to go 4, 3, 2, 1 a few times. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and then we're going to go to a D right here between the two black notes with finger 4, and then a D flat, C, B. So again, D, D flat, C, B. So it's E, E flat, D, D flat, D, D flat, C, B. And the finger numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, we're going to take finger 4 again and go C, B, B flat, A. 4, 3, 2, 1 again. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 4, 3, 2, 1. So again, we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to cross over with finger 4 to the A flat and do it again. 4, 3, 2, 1. On the A flat, G, G flat, F. Okay, so let's try that at a few different speeds, nice and slow. A little faster. And even quicker. And once more, even faster. Okay, now from there, we're going to do the same exact thing one octave lower. So from here, we're going to jump with finger 5 again and start over in this octave. Okay, so one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to jump down another octave with finger 5. And let's just do that first part. E, E flat, D, D flat. When we do it this third time, we're going to do the first two, E, E flat, D, D flat, D, D flat, C, B. But instead of going down again, we're going to repeat. E, E flat, D, D flat, D, D flat, C, B. Okay, so again, that last one is 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now let's do the whole right hand part. Okay, and a little faster. And even faster. Okay, now let's add in the left hand. The left hand is only going to be playing 3 chords for this whole lesson. The first one, we're going to start with our pinky on an A flat. That's the middle note when we have 3 black notes in a row. Okay, so you're going to be playing that with your pinky. And as compared to the E that we're going to be starting on, it's not the A flat right to the left of it. It's one more, jump one more down. It's right here. Okay, so we're going to be playing A flat with finger 5, B with finger 3, and an E with finger 1. Okay, and it's going to be played staccato. So you're just going to tap it like that. So let's just do this first part of the song. Okay, and there are no other left hand parts playing during that whole time. Okay, so after that, we're going to play the exact same thing the next time, except 1 octave lower. So here we have A flat B E, and here we have A flat B E. So let's do both of those nice and slow. Again, a little faster. And now when we go to this last E down here, we're going to play something a little different. We're still going to play that A flat, the same one we just played, but this time with finger 2. And at the same time, we're going to play a lower E with finger 4. Again, staccato. E, A flat. So we just tap it once, and then we play the rest of what we just learned. From the beginning, nice and slow. Okay, a little faster. Okay, even a little faster. You're definitely going to want to practice this with a metronome. Start slow and build up your speed a few beats per minute at a time. And one more time.